Welcome back to another earnings breakdown. Today, we are decoding the Q4 FY26 results of CEAT Limited. Let's see exactly how this tire major performed to finish out their financial year. Dividend. Starting with the rewards for shareholders. The board has declared a strong final dividend of 35 rupees per equity share. This represents a massive 350% payout for investors and reflects strong management confidence. Total income. Looking directly at the top line, CEAT posted a consolidated total income of 4,244.63 crore rupees. This marks a solid 23.3% growth year-on-year and 1.48% growth quarter-on-quarter, driven by strong volume growth across replacement and original equipment segments. Expenses. Now tracking the cost side. Total expenses for the quarter stood at 3,894.87 crore rupees. Raw material costs remain the biggest contributor at 2,546.43 crore rupees. But management handled this efficiently through smart pricing and cost controls. EBITDA. Moving to operational performance. EBITDA margins expanded strongly to 14.18%. This is a sharp improvement of 267 basis points year-on-year, supported by excellent cost discipline and the benefits of operating scale. PBT. Looking before taxes. Profit before tax surged to 339.78 crore rupees. This marks a massive 163.7% year-on-year jump, highlighting a stellar quarter for profitability. PAT. Now to the bottom line. Net profit closed strongly at 243.80 crore rupees. This translates into an impressive 147% year-on-year growth, with profit margins standing firm at 5.78%. EPS, for shareholder value, earnings per share, stood strong at 60 rupees and 45 paise. This is significantly higher than 24 rupees and 60 paise recorded in the same quarter last year, showing strong value creation for investors. Summary. To wrap it all up, CEAT delivered what can truly be called a blockbuster quarter. Strong top-line momentum, robust margin expansion, and triple-digit net profit growth make this a massive win for the tire manufacturer. Subscribe for more. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Always do your own research before investing.